Very good morning, everyone. And moving into the questions here. Yes, the following, what is the output of the following pseudocode? And this is the input here. M is equal to 9 and N is equal to 6. M is equal to 9 and N is equal to 6. Then M is equal to M plus 1. In the next line, M is equal to M plus 1. That indicates M is equal to 10. And N is equal to N minus 1. That indicates it is going to be 5. And both are going to be added. Then M is equal to 15 here. M is not now 10, it is going to be 15. And then I'm going to check that a simple condition. What is that? Is M is greater than N? N value is going to be 5, right? Yes, it is going to be print M value. What is M value? M value is 15 and it is going to be print 15. That's it, nothing else. Okay, the answer is going to be 15 here. Moving to the next question. When you are working with pseudocode, especially for Capgemini or Accenture, they are going to be asked nearly 20 MCQs, 15 to 20 MCQs on pseudocode here. And here you have to know about binary operators, that is going to be bitwise and bitwise or bitwise XOR and bitwise not here. Every time it is going to be asked if, for example, if A and 2 and 3, and now it is going to be print something else like this. Here, what is the value it is going to be? How this operation is going to be working? Here, for example, 2 binary is going to be 1 0 and 3 binary is 1 1. And I'm going to apply here. Here, that is logical AND operation, right? That is logical AND operation 1 and 1, that indicates 1, 0 and 1, that is going to be 0 here. If it is, what is the decimal value for this one? That is going to be 2. If 2, any positive value or negative value, if it is true here, it is going to be executed. If it is going to be executed, for example, here the value is going to be like this: 4 and 4 and 3, 4 and 3, 4 and 3. What is the binary value for 4? 4 is going to be 1 0 0, and 3 is going to be 0 1 1. 0 1 1. Now I'm going to apply here bitwise AND operation. Then 1 0 is going to be 0, 0 1 is going to be 0, 0 1 is going to be 0. Then it is going to be 0 here. That means if it is going to be 0, that means a false. Then it is the if block is not executed. It is going for the else block here. Is it clear, everyone? And in the same way, bitwise OR also. For example, if I'm going to apply bitwise OR 1 0, it is going to be 1, 0 1, it is going to be 1, 0 1, it is going to be 1. That indicates definitely it is going to be a true. That means the decimal value is going to be 7, right? That means 7 is going to be like this. And sometimes is going to be like this. For example, it is going to be 2 and 3 here. 4 and 3 is greater than and 2 and 3 here. What is 4 and 3? 4 and 3, that is going to be 1 0 0 and 3 is going to be 0 1 1. The value is going to be here 0, right? The decimal value is going to be 0 here. That means 0 is greater than, what is the 2 and 3? What is the 2 and 3 here? 2 means 1 1 0 and 3 is going to be 1 1. And I'm going to apply binary operation, that is going to be 1 0. This is going to be 2 here. That means is 0 is greater than 2? Is 0 is greater than 2? No, that's why the if block is not executed here. Is it clear, everyone? In this way, we are going to execute it about these two, and mainly focusing on this XOR operation. XOR operation. The XOR operation is going to be like this. For example, 4 cap 3. 4 means 1 0 0 and 3 is going to be 0 1 1. This is going to be the XOR operation is going to be if both are zeros or both are ones, then it is going to be 0 here. Then it is going to be 0. If alternative values, it is always treating as 1 1 1 like this. That means that is also 7 here. For example, 5 cap 4 here. 5 cap 4. 5 means 101 and 4 means 100. 1 1, that is going to be 0. 0 0, that is going to be 0. 1 0, that is going to be 1. Okay. In this way, it is going to be working the XOR operation and the bitwise operation. The last one, the bitwise operation. For example, bitwise 2. Just think about it, is always I'm going to tell you the answer only. If it is bitwise not 2, that the answer is going to be -3. The answer is always going to be -3. For example, it is going to be 10 here. The answer is -11. This is about bitwise operation, and two more operators, that is going to be left shift operator and right shift operator. Left shift operator and right shift operator. These questions are also going to be like this. If 4 left shift of 1, they are going to be like this. If 4 left shift of 1, that means what is 4 binary here? 1 0 0, right? And I'm going to write in 8-bit representation, 8-bit representation like this. This is 4, but I'm writing in 8-bit representation. That's it, nothing else. This is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 2 means 4, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7. Okay, now it is a left shift operator, right? It is a left shift operator. That means we have to write here 2 zeros at right hand side. At right hand side, I have to add 2 zeros. That's it. 2 zeros. Now, where is the 1 now? 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. 2 power 4 means 16. That is going to be 16 here. That value is going to be 16 here. In the same way, here 4 right shift of 1. 4 right shift of 1. 4 right shift of 1. It is going to be 4 right shift of 1. That means just simply delete the last one. If it is 2 bytes, it is going to be 2 bits. Just simply delete 2 bits here. Then this value is 2 power 0. 2 power 0 means 1. It becomes 1. It becomes 1. Okay. Is my screen is not visible? How to find binary values? I will tell you. For example, I'm going to write for 14 here. A simple technique I'm going to follow always. 14. We have to think every time write 8 bits here, 8 bits like this. Always write like this. Just imagine that this is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7. Instead of writing 14, I'm going for 54. Okay, then you will understand more clearly. Okay, 54. This is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7. Okay. Now I'm going to check that I have to we have to know that what is 2 power table. We have to know about like this 2 power 0 means 2 power 0 means 1, 2 power 1 means 2, 2 power 2 means 4, 2 power 3 means 8, 2 power 4 means 16, 2 power 5 means 32, 2 power 6 means 64, 2 power 7 means 128. We have to know about this table. Okay. Now I'm going for 54 here. I'm going for 54. I'm going to convert 54 into a binary value. Okay. What is the nearest smallest binary value here for 54? For example, if you go for 2 power 5, that is 32. 32, right? If you go for 2 power 6, that is 64, which is larger than 54. No, we are not going for 64. We have to go for 2 power 5 only. Where is 2 power 5? I'm going to write here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. Now 2 power 5. Where is 2 power 5? Here, right? I'm going to place here. Okay, I'm going to put 1 at this position. 2 power 5. 2 power 5 means 32. And if I subtract this one, this is going to be 2 and 2, right? 22. The remaining value is going to be 22. Okay, now I'm going to find for 22, what is the nearest smallest value here? That is going to be 16, right? That means 2 power 4, I'm going to place one more value. 22 minus 16. 22 minus 16 is going to be 6, right? 4 into 6. Now I'm going to find the binary value for 6. 6 means 4. 4 is the nearest one, that is 2 power 2. 2 power 2. Now 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 here. And what is 2 here? 2 power 1. 2 power 1. That is the 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the binary value for 54. Is it clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? This way I'm going to find the binary value here. If I go for example, some 67, for example, 60, going for 39, for example, 39. Binary value for 39 here. Binary value for 39. Binary value for 39. Binary value for 39. What is the nearest value? 2 power 5 or 8? Again 2 power 5. I'm going to put 1 here. 1 here. Then 32 minus 32. That is going to be 7, right? What is 7 binary value? 7 nearest value is going to be 4. That is 2 power 1. Then 1 and 1 here. 7 is the triple 1. This is the 39's binary value. 39's binary value. Is it clear, everyone? Just try to find what is the binary value for 100. Try to find the binary value for 100. For example, what is the nearest value of 100 here? 64. 2 power 6, right? First of all, I'm going to modify all the values. 2 power 6, that is going to be 64. 64, 64. 100 minus 64, that is going to be 36. Again, I'm going to find that 36. I'm going to find 36. So what is the nearest value of 36? 32. That is 2 power 5, 32 here. Then 4, 2 power. This is the binary value for 100. We can write very easily and very fast also. Yes. And moving into this question. Take two variables A and B. Check if A is less than, what is A value? A value is 12 and B value is going to be minus 26. If A value is less than 0, is A value is less than 0? No. Then it is not going to be working here. Is B value is less than 0? Yes. Then B is equal to minus 26. Then it becomes plus 26. Now A value is 12 and B value is going to be 26. And coming to this one, repeat while A is not equal to B. While A is not equal to B, we have to repeat the values here. We have to repeat the values. If A is greater than B, for example, 12 is not equal to 12 is not equal to 12 is not equal to 26, right? Then A is greater than B. Is A is greater than B? No. Then B is equal to B minus A. B is equal to B minus A. That is 26 minus 12. 26 minus 12, that is going to be 14 here. What is B value is going to be 14 and A value is going to be 12 here. Okay. Then again, is A is greater than B? It is repeating again. Is A is not equal to B, right? A is not equal to B. 12 is not equal to 4. Again, it is repeating. A is greater than B? No. Then again, B is equal to B minus A. B is equal to B minus A. Then it becomes a 2 here. Then it becomes a 2. Then again, it is repeating. Is A is greater than B? Yes. Then A is equal to A minus B. Then it becomes a 10. Then it becomes a 10. Then it becomes 8. Then it becomes a 6. Then it becomes a 4. Then it becomes a 2. Then it is coming out and the value, the answer is going to be, the A answer is going to be 2 here. It is going to be stop at this position. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. Then moving to the next question. What will be the value of val if the input is 1, 2, 3, 9, 4 corresponding to N1, N2, N3, N4 and N5? These are the values for N1, N2, N3, N4 and N5. Now what is the value, VAL value after this? First of all, it is checking that if N1 is less than N2, yes, it is true, right? Then value becomes N2. N2 value is going to be 2. Value is going to be 2 now. And if it is not false, if it is false, we have to work on this. No, it is not going to be true. Then again, it is checking that it is separate if N3, what is N3? N3 is going to be 3 is greater than value. Yes, value is 2 now, right? Yes. Then value is equal to N3. That means now it is going to be 3 here. Now again one more value. N4 is greater than value. N4 is greater than value. Yes. Then N4 becomes value becomes 9 here. Then is N5 is greater than N5 is 4 is greater than 9? No. Then finally it is going to be 9. The answer is going to be 9 here. The answer is going to be 9. Just a minute. Why we are considering while loop here? Here there is a while loop, right? Here there is a while loop. That's why I am considering that. Here there is only if statements. That's why I'm going to write if here. If I'm going to work now, the next one, the A value is 9, B value is 7, C value is 8, D value is 4, and E is an empty one. And we are going to work this one. First of all, by precedence, we have to do this one. 4 by 4 here. 4 by 4, then it becomes 1. It becomes 1. And 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. 16 plus 8 is equal to 24. 24 plus 1, that is going to be 25. E value is going to be 25 here. Is 5 is 25 is greater than 5? Yes, then it is going to be print pass here. The answer is going to be pass. Move to the next question. This is the for loop here, and now I is equal to 1 to n minus 1. That is going to be 126. 1 to 125. 125. That is it is going to be repeat for 120 1 to 125 times. It is going to be repeat, and I'm going to write here if remainder is equal to 0. That means if is that is pseudocode, right? We have to check is the remainder is equal to 0, and I have to add. Just simply what is n value? N value is 126. How many with how many values 126 is going to be divisible, and all the values they are going to be sum here. And again check that is 126 is equal to n or not. For example, 126 is 126 is divisible by 1. Yes, then sum is equal to 1. Okay, is 126 is divisible by 2 here? Yes, I am going to add like this. And 126 is we are going to be add like this. 126 mod 1. Yes, it is going to be 0, right? And 126 mod 2, it is 0. And is if it is 2, it is divisible by 2 means it is divisible by 63 also, right? It is going to divisible by 63 also. Then immediately I'm going to add 63 also. 63 also. Okay. And then is it divisible by 3? Is it divisible by 3? If it is divisible by 3, I'm going to add 3, and I'm going to add here 42 also. That is going to be 42 also. Okay, in this way I'm going to add all the values. Then 4, is it divisible by 4? Is it divisible by 4? No. Is it divisible by 5? No. Is it divisible by 6? No. Yes, it is divisible by 6. Then I'm going to add 6 here plus 6. And how many times it is divisible? How many times it is divisible in 6? That is 21. I'm going to add 21 also. I'm going to add 21 also. And just observe here, it is already crossed 126, right? It is already crossed 120 is 6. Then it is not true here. Then I will go for print no. The answer is going to be no here. The answer is going to be no here. Is it clear, everyone? Yes. What is the output here? What is the output of this pseudocode? A value is 10 and B value is equal to 20. A value is 10 and B value is 20 now. A value is 10 and B value is going to be 20. Why? Because B is equal to A plus A. Then B is greater than A. B is greater than A. Yes, is it true or not? Yes, it is true and 0. Just observe here. In this is the logical AND operation. Both statements has to be true, but here only one statement is true. The next statement is false. That's why the control is not entering into this block and moving into this block. Again, it is telling that is B is greater than A. That is 20 is greater than A. Yes, true. And this is logical OR gate. If this is the logical OR gate, if one statement is true, the total statement is true. Now it is moving inside and B is equal to B plus A, then it becomes a 30 here. And again 30 plus 10, that is going to be 40 here. And the answer is going to be 40. The answer is going to be 40. The answer is going to be 40. What is the output of the following pseudocode? And just simply I'm going to add the values P plus Q plus R. That means this is going to be 6 plus 2, that is going to be 8. 8 minus 7, that is going to be 1. P is equal to 1 now. P is equal to 1 and Q is equal to P plus R. P is modified, right? P value is 1. 1 minus R, that is going to be 0. 0 minus 0 minus Q, that is going to be, this is minus 7. This is minus 7. Is it true or not? P plus Q 9. 9, it's 8. 8 minus 7, that is going to be 1. P plus R, P value is 1. 1 minus 1. 1 plus 1, that is going to be 0. 0 minus 7, that is going to be 7. Okay. Now what is P value? P value is 1. Is 1 is greater than minus 7? Yes, sir, true. Then it is going to be print goodbye. It's going to be print goodbye. Clear? Now the answer, set I is equal to 1 and sum is equal to 0. Then sum is equal to sum plus 1. Then it is going to be sum is equal to 1 here. Now it is checking that, oh, this is line 1. That's why it is writing line 1. Okay, it is writing line 1. Sum is equal to 1 now. Sum is equal to 1 now. Okay. Then is sum is greater than 500? No. No, right? Then it is moving here and I is equal to I plus 1. Then I is equal to I plus 1. Then it becomes 2 here. And then it is go to line 1. That means here I have to move to go to this one. And 1 plus 1, it becomes 2. And it becomes 2. And how many times it is going to be repeat? No, what is the output here? That's it. What is the I value? It is going to be printed. What is the I value? It is going to be printed here. I value is again, just observe here. It is 1 plus 1. Then again it is going to be 2. 2 plus 1, that is going to be 3. For example, I am going to add sum of all the numbers. For example, I am going to add sum of all the numbers. That is going to be, if for s is equal to 0, I am going to write for I in or ng range of 1 to 30, 1 to 31. S plus is equal to I here, and I'm going to print I comma S. Just observe here. If it is 30, the answer is 565. 465. If it is 465, is 465 is greater than 500? No. For example, now I'm going to add plus 31. Plus 31 here. The answer is going to be 596. 496. 496. Who is 496 is greater than 500? No. Then 496 plus 32, that is greater than 500. Now the answer is going to be 32 here. The answer is going to be 32. The answer is going to be 32 here. Okay. I'm moving to the next question. N is equal to 6. C is equal to 6. And I have to print C here. C value is going to be 6. It is going to be print 6. The answer is, first of all, it is going to be print 6 here. Okay. Then C is equal to C minus 2. That then C becomes a 4. Is 4 is greater than 0? Is 4 is greater than 0? Yes. Go to the line 2. Go to the line 2 and it is going to be print 4 here. And then again C is equal to C minus 2. Then 4 becomes 2 here. Is 2 is greater than 0? Yes. And it is going to be print 2 also. Then 2 minus 2, that is going to be 0. Is 0 is greater than 0? No. And it is coming out and it is going to be print 642 only. 642 only. Clear? Six, 4, 2 only. is moving here. If C is greater than 0, if C is greater than 0, we have to move to the line 2. Line 2 means it is printing and we have to execute from this again. Go to is working as some while loop here. Now A is equal to 8, B is equal to 10, C is equal to 8, C is equal to 6. And means that is logical AND operation. Okay. A is greater than C. Is A is greater than C? Yes, this is true. Now B plus C is going to be 16. 16 is greater than 8. Yes, this is true and this statement is also true. Both are true. Then it is going to be print 8 here. Then it is going to be print 8. Okay. This statement is finished and moving into this one. C is greater than B. Is C is greater than B? No. This is OR gate, right? And I have to check it again. This one. A plus C. A plus C means 14 is greater than 10. Yes, it is true. Then it is going to be print B here. B value is going to be 10 and it's going to be print 10. And moving into this statement, B plus C. B plus C means 16. 16 mod A. 16 mod A. That means what is the remainder? 16 divided by 8. What is the remainder? That is it equals to 0? Yes. Then I have to print C value also. Then the answer is 8, 10 and 6. 8, 10 and 6. Eight, 10 and 6. Now A value is M value is 9. Then it becomes 10 here. And N is going to be 6. 6 becomes 7. And both are going to be added here. Both are going to be added. Then M is equal to 17. And N is equal to 7 here. Is M is greater than 7? Yes. It is going to be print M. The answer is going to be 17 here. The answer is going to be 17. What is the output of the following code? If the input is a 7. If the input is a 7, that means N value is going to be 7. Okay. Now what is M value? M value is 1 and T value is 0. M value is going to be N value is going to be 7. M is greater than N. Is 1 is greater than 7? No. Then it is moving into the next line. T is equal to T plus M. Then T becomes the final answer we have to write is going to be 7. T only, right? And T is equal to T value 0 plus M. That is going to be 1. Then M becomes 2 here. Then M becomes 2. Then M becomes 2. And again go to line 3. Again go to line 3. That means this one. M value is 2 now. Is 2 is greater than 7? Is 2 is greater than 7? No. 2 is not greater than 7 and it is moving here. And again T is equal to T plus M. Then 1 plus 2 that is going to be 3 and it becomes 3 here. That means it is going to be add 7. 8 is greater than 7. That is going to be true, right? That means we have to add 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. 13. 13 plus 9. 22. 22 plus 22 plus 3, that is going to be 25. I'm missing something. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 and 13. Just missing. 7. 7 is greater than 7. No, that is wrong, right? And here it is not added. And what is this value? 9. 9 plus 9, that is going to be 18. Is 18 is here? Okay, I will write what it is going to be. First of all, T value is 0, M value is 1, 1 is greater than 7, 1 is greater than 7, that is false. Then it is moving here, 0 plus M, that is going to be 1, then it becomes 2, then it becomes 2. And go to line 3. Is 2 is greater than 7? No. It is coming here and 1 plus 2, that is going to be 3 here. 1 plus 2. Then it becomes 3. Is 3 is greater than 7? Is 3 is greater than 7? No. Then I'm going to add then I'm going to add 3 here, then I'm going to add 3 here, then it becomes a 4. Is 4 is greater than 7? No. Then it is going to be add 4 here, then it becomes a 5. Then it becomes a 5. Is 5 is greater than 7? No. Then I'm going to add 5 here, then it becomes 6. Is 6 is greater than 7? No. I'm going to add 6 here, then it becomes 7. Is 7 is greater than 7? That is also false. And going here, and it is going to be add 7 also, and it becomes 8. Is 8 is greater than 7? Yes. And it is going to be print the value of t here. Then the sum of the values 13 plus 5, that is going to be 18. 18 plus 4, 18 plus 4, 22. 18 plus 4, 20. 22 plus 3, 25. 25 plus 3, 28. The answer is going to be 28 here. The answer is going to be 28. Going into the next question. I plus j. What is I value? I value is 5 and j value is 7. That is going to be 12. 12 is greater than 5. Is it true or not? Yes, it is true. Then j is equal to I plus 2. And again j value is 7 only. 5 plus 2, that is going to be 7. Okay. Is 7 is less than 5? No. And it is going to be print j. Now the answer is going to be 7 here. The answer is going to be 7. So try to understand. If this is false, for example, if this is false, the else statement is going to be printed. But this is the true. That's why it is moving inside. And j becomes I plus 2. What is I value? I value is 5, I plus 2. Then j becomes 7. Is 7 is less than 5? If it is the true, it is going to be printed. If it is false, it is going to be printed. Clear, everyone? Nothing. Set means nothing. Set means we are going to give some value to that variable. That's it. Nothing else. Yes. Rambabu sir.
Sir,
Class.
wait for a few minutes.
Okay.
Just I will share the screen. Screen is visible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. So today I'm going to discuss Capgemini test 1 from reasoning side. Okay, going to the questions. Find the next number in the given series. Let us take the series 5, 11, 19, 29. Next one. First take the difference. Between 5 and 11, difference is 6. 11 and 19, difference is 8. And 19 and 29, difference is 10. What would be the next difference? If you observe the difference is even number series starting with 4. If you observe the difference clearly, 6, 8, 10, next it should be 12. So if the difference is 12, the next number in the given series is 29 plus 12 equals to 41. Given the options, option A is the correct answer. Okay. Okay. Coming to next one. Choose the correct option. Okay, So analogy means the logic between, find the logic between first two and apply the third one to get fourth one. First take the two pairs. So what is CEGI is coded for JLNP. Okay. So first of all, write down with respect to numbers. C is 3, E is 5, G is 7, I is 11, and J is I is 9. J is 10, L is 12, N is 14, and P is 16 in the English alphabet. Okay, so C is changed to J, means adding plus 7, means 3 is changed to 7, means adding 7, and 5 is changed to 12, means adding 7 here also, and 7 is changed to 14, here also adding 7, and last letter is also adding 7. So logic is what is simply adding plus 7. Okay, same logic is applied to third one to get fourth one. It is called analogy. So what is third one? QSUW to get fourth one. So write down with respective numbers. Q is 17, S is 19, U is 21, W is 23. So adding plus 7, 17 plus 7. So 17 plus 7 means 24, and 19 plus 7. So 19 plus 7 means 26, and 21 plus 7. So 21 plus 7 means 28. Okay, 28. And next one, 23 plus 7. So 23 plus 7 means 30. Okay, sorry, here 28. So 24 means in English alphabet, which letter here? X. 26 means Z. 28 means here A is taken as 27 or 1. B is taken as 28 or B. So B replaces here, 28 replaces which letter here? B. And 30 replaces D. Okay. So finally answer is XZBD. Given the options, option C is the correct answer. Okay. So analogy means find the logic between first two to apply the same logic in third one to get fourth one. So the logic between first two is adding plus 7. Same logic is applied to third one to get fourth one. Finally answer is XZPD. So given the options, option C is the correct answer. Okay. Yes, option. Screen is not visible on student. Student, screen is visible or not? Student, screen is visible or not? Okay, first question, logic is also S, 1 plus 1, 3 square plus 2. Here also good. One more logic. Okay. So first of all, screen is visible or not? One student give the reply in Q&A report. Screen is not visible, sir. Visible. Okay. Okay. Next one. S. Here also find the logic between first two. Same logic is applied to third one to get fourth one. So write down the logic between first two. The first two words are A, G, D. It is coded for E, K, H. First of all, write down with respect to numbers. So A is 1, G is 7, and D here. This is the D. D is 4, and E is 5, K is 11, and H is 8. So A is changed to E, or 1 is changed to 5, means adding 4, and 7 is changed to 11, 11 means adding 4. And last letter 4 is changed to 8 or D is changed to H means adding 4 here also. So the logic is simply adding 4. Same logic is applied to third one to get fourth one. The third one is IOL. Sorry, IOL. So with respect to numbers is 9, 15, 12. Adding 4. So 9 plus 4. So 9 plus 4 means 13. And 15 plus 4. 15 plus 4 means 19. And next one 12 plus 4. So 12 plus 4 means 16. In English alphabet, 13th letter means M, 19th letter means S, 16th letter means P. So finally answer is M, S, P. Given the options, option C is the correct answer. Okay. Yes, option C is the correct answer. Some of the students give the answers also. Move on, next one. Yes, odd man out means. So odd man out means what is here? Find the given anagram, select the odd one out. Or find the given the choices, given the select the odd one out. So odd one out means 3 are following a particular same pattern and remaining is completely different. Okay, so choose that one. So given the options, so option A is AFB and option B is MRN, option C is KPL and option D is the RXS. So I have to follow 3 rules. I was already told in previous class. So what is odd man out rule? So one is gap rule. Okay, and second one is alphabetical order rule. And third one is oval rule. Okay, so the rules are step by step. Once gap rule is failed, go for your alphabetical order rule. Not directly go for alphabetical order rule. So alphabetical order rule is also failed, go for oval rule. Okay. So take the first option A, F, B. So with respect to numbers are 1, F means 6, B is 2. First apply the gap rule. So between 1 and means A and F, between letters. So B, C, D. So and E. So between letters is 4. Between gap is 4 letters, difference means 5. You take your gap or difference, no problem. Okay. And F and B, between gap is 3 letters. Clear? So A and F between gap. Gap means between letters B, C, D, E. And F and B between letters means C, D, E. 3 letters. So this is the gap. Okay. And coming to second option, M, R, N. Okay. So M means 13, R means 18, N means 14. So between M and R, gap is 4 letters, means N, O, P, Q. And R and N gap is 3 letters. Okay. So going to third option, K, P, L. So K means 11th letter, P is 16th letter, L is 12th letter. So between gap. So K and P between gap is 4 letters. P and L between gap is 3 letters. So coming to the last option, R, X, S. Okay. So RXX means R means 18th letter, X is 24th letter, S is 19th letter. So between gap is R and X between gap is 5 letters. Means S, T, U, V, W. Okay. So between gap is 5 letters and X and S. Okay, between gap is here also 4 letters. Okay, T, U, V, W. So if you observe the gap rule, all the options, okay, if you observe the gap rule, all the options, option A, B, C are following a same pattern, and option D is completely different from the remaining options. So I can choose fourth option is the different from the remaining, means option D is the odd one out in the given options. Okay. Suppose gap rule is failed, means you can't find the option using gap rule. Go for your alphabetical order rule. Your alphabetical order rule is also failed. Go for your vowel rule. Not directly take your vowel rule. Okay. So this is the step by step. Clear? So answer is RXS. Yes. 264 and the remaining some persons anonymous. Here give the right action, right option RXS. Okay. Next one. Move on next one. Same. So find the given anagram, select the odd one out. So using three rules, one is gap rule and second one is alphabetical order rule and third one is the vowel rule. So coming to the first option, R, O, N. Write down with respect to numbers. R is 18, O is 15, N is 14th letter. Between gap is 2 letters, means O, P, Q. Between gap is 0, means there is no gap here, O and N. Okay, coming to next option. W, T, S. With respect to number is 23. With respect to number is 20, S means 19. Between gap is 2, between gap is 0. Okay, so coming to third option, O, L, K. O means 15th letter, L is 12th letter, K is 11th letter. So between gap is L and O, between gap is 2 letters, M and N, and L and K between gap is 0. Coming to the last option, V, R, P. So V means 22, R means 18, P means 16th letter in the English alphabet. First take the gap. So between V and R gap is 3 and R and P gap is 1. If you observe the options, option A, B, C are following a same pattern and option D is completely different from the remaining. Okay, using which rule? Gap rule. So finally, option D is the correct option. So VRP is the correct answer using gap rule. Okay. Yes. VRP is the right answer. Coming to next one, coding and decoding. Okay, so if black is coded as CKBBL, then brick is coded as. It is same like as analogy. So analogy means find the logic between first two, apply the third one to get fourth one. Same as coded and coding and decoding. Find the logic between given the word and coded word. Apply the same logic to given the word and to get fourth one. Okay. So means similar meaning coding and decoding and analogy. So analogy means find the logic between first two, apply the third one, same logic to get fourth one, same. So coding and decoding means find the logic between given the word and coded word. Apply the logic to given the word. Okay. So if given the word is black, the code word is C, K, B, B, L. With respect to numbers are B is 2, L is 12, A is 1, C is 3 and K is 11. Okay, 2, 12, 1, 3, 11. The code word is C is 3, K is 11, B is 2, again B is 2, L is 12. So 2 is changed to 3, means adding 1. And 12 is changed to 11, means subtracting 1. Again 1 is changed to 2, means adding 1. And 3 is changed to 2, means subtracting 1. And K is changed to L, means L 11 is changed to 12, means adding 1. If you observe the logic clearly, +1, -1, +1, -1, +1, -1, and so on, means +1, -1 is repeated. Means given the problem, the logic is +1 and -1. The same logic is applied to brick, means given the word. The given the word is brick. So with respect to numbers are 2, R means 18, I means 9, C means 3, and K means 11. So adding +1, 2 plus 1 means 3, subtracting 1 means 18 minus 1 means 17. Again adding 1 means 9 plus 1, 9 plus 1 means 10. Subtracting 1 means 3 minus 1 means 2. Again adding 1 means 11 plus 1 means 12. In English alphabet, third letter is C, 17th letter is Q, and 10th is J, second letter is B, 12th letter is L. So the answer is CQJBL. Given the options, option C is the correct answer. Okay. Yes, option C is the correct answer. Move on next one. So based on here which factor in this problem? So this is the logical sequence order based on which factor? I'm taken as generations. Okay. So first one. So here generations means okay. So first to take the great grandparents. So great grandparents. Okay. After that, grandparents. Grandparents. And next one, parents. After that, okay. So grandparents means 3, parents means 4, and daughter means 2, grandson means 1. So the answer is 5, 3, 4, 2, 1, or 1, 2 below generation to above generation. Suppose 1, 2, 4, 3, 5. So given the options 5, 3, 4, 2, 1. So option A is the correct answer. Okay. So you take here above generation to below generation or below generation to above generation. Okay. Yes. Yes. 5, 3, 4, 2, 1 is the right answer. Option A is the correct answer. Move on next one. Yes. A man strayed from his path while on his way to the park. He moves 100 km towards south. Suppose man is placing in this place. Okay. So this is the starting point. So he moves 100 km towards south. So 100 km towards south means this is the south direction. So this is the 100 km towards south. And then this place to another 40 km towards west. So another 40 km towards west means this is the west direction. So another 40 km. He then travels means in this place to 70 km towards north. So 70 km towards north means this position. Okay. 70 km towards north and reaches the park here. Okay, not a part here, reaches the park. So this is the park. So means this is the starting point. Okay, this is the park. So what is the distance of the shortest possible route? Means here starting point to park. What is the shortest possible route? Means in this one. So find the in this way. So extension this line. Extend this line. Okay. So this is 40 km means here taken as here also 40 km. So this is 70 km means totally 100. This is 70 means in this taken as 30 km. Okay, totally 100 km. So this part is 70 km. So remaining is 30 km. If you observe, suppose this place is taken as R. Okay. So if you observe clearly, RSP is the right angle triangle. Okay. So RSP is the right angle triangle P S R. So this is the 30 km. This is the 40 km. Find this one. So right angle triangle means hypotenuse equals to square root of side square plus side square. So SP equals to square root of PR square plus RS square. Okay. So square root of PR means 40 square plus RS means 30 square. So here square root of 40 square means 1600, 30 square means 900, square root of total is here 2500. So 2500 means 50. So 50 km is the answer. The shortest distance of possible route is 50 km. So given the options, option A is the correct answer. Okay. No. So many students give 80. 80 no here. 50 km is the right answer. Good. Very good. Coming to next one. Blood relations. So listen. So Sita is who means here taken as previous person. Okay. Sita is the sister-in-law of Arvind. So Sita is the sister-in-law of Arvind. So sister-in-law means Arvind's sibling's wife is called sister-in-law. Sita is the sister-in-law of Arvind. So sister-in-law means Arvind siblings. Siblings means Arvind brothers. Wife is called sister-in-law. Suppose in this place taken as Arvind. Suppose. So Arvind siblings means one brother is there. Okay. Brother's wife is called sister-in-law. That wife name is given Sita. This is Sita. Okay. So Arvind's siblings or Arvind's brother's wife is called sister-in-law. Means Sita is the sister-in-law of Arvind. And Sita is the daughter-in-law of Sumedha. Again, not sentence is not completed. Okay. And Sita is the daughter-in-law of Sumedha. So Sita is the daughter-in-law of Sumedha means here either taken as Arvind's mother or Arvind's sibling's mother. Sumedha taken as Arvind's mother or Arvind's sibling's mother means this is in this place. So in this place taken as Sumedha. Okay. So Sita is the daughter-in-law of Sumedha. So daughter-in-law means Kodalu. Okay. Evarki? So Sumedha ki. Yes. So Sita is the daughter-in-law of Sumedha. Clear? Next one. Deepak is the father of Sarthak. Deepak is the father of Sarthak. Relation is not given, but here sentence is completed. Sarthak is, who is means taken as previous person. So Sarthak is the only brother of Aravind. Here one sentence is given or statement is given. Sarthak is the only brother of Aravind. Only brother means here Aravind's brother. Only brother means this place replaces Sarthak. Okay. So Sarthak is the only brother of Aravind. Aravind brother is Sarthak. And Deepak is the father of Sarthak. So Deepak is the father of Sarthak means Sarthak mother is Sumedha. So father of Sarthak, Deepak is the father of Sarthak means Sumedha's husband. Sumedha's husband is the Deepak. Okay. Deepak. So how is Sumedha related to Aravind? So how is Sumedha related to Aravind means? So Sumedha related to Aravind. So Sumedha related to Aravind means mother. Okay. Sarthak mother or Aravind mother means here Aravind and Sarthak are siblings. Okay. Brothers means so Sarthak mother means Sumedha means Aravind mother is also Sumedha. So finally, so how is Sumedha related to Aravind means mother. Given the options, option B is the correct answer. Okay. Got it, everyone? Yes, mother is the right answer. Good, very good. Anonymous and person name. Good. Move on, next one. This is easiest problem. So B is the only son of A. So B is the only son of A. Suppose A is taken only son. Only son means B is here below generation. B is the only son of A. Clear? Next one. B is brother of C. B is brother of C. Suppose C is taken. So B is brother of C. So B is only son. B is brother of C means here C is taken as sister. So one condition is given. B is the only son of A. So only son of A. So remaining all are here daughters. Clear? So B is only son of A means remaining B siblings remaining all are here daughters. So means C replaces here female. Clear everyone? Yes. So B is the brother of C means C is taken as female. Means here one condition is given. B is the only son of A means remaining all are here daughters. Means C is the sister of B. And F is A's father. So F is A's father. A is here. So F is A's father. F is male. Means taken as plus. So this is the relation. So how is C related to F? So how is C related to F? Means what is here? So F's son, son's daughter means granddaughter. Okay. F's son is A. So A's daughter means here son's daughter means granddaughter. So finally answer is granddaughter. So given the options, option C is the correct answer. Okay. Yes, granddaughter is the right answer. So many students give the answers. Good, very good. Move on next one. Yes, very simple. So this is symbol relations. Okay, symbol blood relations means A brass B means B is the mother of A of B means B is the father of A slash B means B is the sister of A plus B means B is the daughter of A, using symbol relations. Okay, so one problem is given. So what is that problem? What does L versus M slash N means? Okay, L versus M slash L. Okay, so brasses means what is here? B is the mother of A. So B is the mother of A means M is the mother of L. So M is the mother of L means M is here female mother of L. Clear? So brasses means here B is the mother of A means M is the mother of L. L's mother is M. So M is female means taken as minus. Next one, slash N, M slash N means A slash N means B is the sister of A, means N is the sister of M. So N is the sister of M. Given the options, so N is niece of M, no, wrong answer. M is the niece of N, no, wrong answer. So M is the sister of N. So the relation is given here. So M is the sister of N, yes, right answer. Given the options, option C is the correct answer. బిట్లోనే yes, next one, move on next one, inequalities. So here statements is given and conclusions is given. In this inequalities means conclusion 1 is true or conclusion 2 is true or conclusion means option C or option D. Check that one by one. So given the what is the statements S slash T. So S slash T slash means less than means S less than T is given, comma. Next one, T plus U. Plus means what is here? Equals to symbol means T is equals to U. And next one, U star V. So star means greater than equals to means U greater than equals to V. So this is the given the statements. I combine all the three statements into single statement. So what is S less than T, T is equals to U, U greater than or equals to V. This is the single statement, combine all the three statements. Okay. Coming conclusions, S slash U. So S slash U means what is S slash U? So slash means first conclusion, S slash slash means less than, S less than U. Conclusion 1 is right or wrong. So go for your statement. So S less than T, T is equal to U means S less than U. S T replaces U means T is equal to U means T replaces U. S less than U is the right answer. So conclusion 1 is true. Next one, second conclusion, T star V. So T star V means T less than or equals to or greater than, S greater than or equals to V. So in this statement, T is equal to U means U replaces T. So U replaces T means T greater than or equals to V. Second statement is also true. So both the conclusions are true. Okay, so here statement 1 is true and statement 2 is the true. So finally option is D is the correct answer. Okay. Yes, option C is the right answer. Sorry, option D is the right answer. Both the conclusion 1 and 2 is the true. Move on next one. So seating arrangement. So Sari is told yesterday doubt session class and I was told in previous class also. Same problem is repeated. Okay. So 5 cars are parked in a row facing eastward. So 5 cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars. So E is parked to the left of A, B, C. So E is parked to the left of A, B, C. Means A, B, C positions is here. So E is parked to the left of A, B, C. So E place is in this place. Or I'm taking second condition. So E is taken as in this place. Okay. So one of the extreme end are in this place. Okay, E place. Next one. B, C, and A are parked to the left of D. B, C, A are parked to the left of D. Suppose D taken in this place. So BC is not taken in this condition. Suppose D is taken in this place. ABC places is not taken in this place, means in between E is there. Means condition 1 is, suppose this is the condition 1 and this is the condition 2. So condition 1 is not followed. Okay, BCA are parked to the left of D, means suppose D is in this place is taken. So here BCA. Yes. Suppose in this place D is taken in this place, BCA suppose here taken, means first condition E is, or first statement E is parked to the left of ABC, but B place is in this place, means condition 1 is false. Okay, clear everyone? Next one. C is parked between A and B. So remaining 3 positions is here. C is parked between A and B, means C is the middle of this in this positions. So remaining 3 positions, the middle position is here. In this place occupies C. Okay, or replaces C. Next one. If B is parked fourth from the left. So this is the first left. Okay, this is the second left. This is the third left. This is the fourth left. So this is the fourth left. And remaining portion is in this place. Empty place is here. So this is the remaining portion. So how far is A is parked from the right? So right hand means first right, second right, third right, fourth right. So finally answer is fourth right. Given options, option D is the correct answer. Okay. Yes. Please leave this on. Okay. Next one. So this is the data sufficiency. What is the problem question? So what is the monthly salary of Raghu? So using the statements, statement 1 is sufficient or statement 2 is sufficient, or both are not sufficient. So go for first statement. The salaries of Raghu and his brothers ratio is 5:6 is given with respectively. The salary is not given, the salaries ratio is given. So using this first statement, you can find the year salary of Raghu. No, here any information is not given. Only one of the information is given. The information is the salary of Raghu and his brothers ratio is given 5:6. Okay, so using the first statement, you can't find the salary of Raghu. Means statement 1 is wrong. Okay. So coming to statement 2, the salary of Raghu's brother is 32,000 per month. But given the problem question is find the or what is the salary of monthly salary of Raghu. So statement 2 is the salary of Raghu's brother is 32,000 per month. So using only second statement, okay, using only second statement, here also can't find the salary of Raghu. Okay, using only second statement, you can't find the salary of Raghu. Means statement 2 is also wrong answer. Statement only statement 1 is also wrong answer, and only statement 2 is also not sufficient given the problem question. Okay, so suppose using both the statements, statement 1 and statement 2. So both the statements is false, means not sufficient to given the problem question. After that, once check the statement 1 and 2, combine statement 1 and 2. So you will give the answer or not. So once check it. So first statement ratio is given 5:6, and second statement here monthly salary of only Raghu's brother is given. Means this is the Raghu and this is the Raghu's brother. So Raghu's brother monthly salary is given. So monthly salary means 32,000. This is the monthly ratio. Means 6 parts is given. So 6 parts is given. What is 6 parts is here? 32,000. Find the 1 part here, and here find the 5 parts. Means Raghu's monthly salary is 5 parts. Means combine both the statements. Any answer is coming. Means your answer is comes or not. అంటే ఆన్సర్ వచ్చిందా లేదా చూసుకోవాలమ్మా. సో ఎగ్జాక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ తో మనకి సంబంధం లేదు డేటా సఫిషియన్సీ. ఓకే, సో you combine statement 1 and 2 statements. Okay, so we will give the problem question answer. Means find the salary of Raghu. Okay, combine statement 1 and 2. So you will find the monthly salary of Raghu. So using 2 statements means both statements put together are sufficient. Means option C is the correct answer. Statement 1 alone not sufficient. Statement 2 alone not sufficient. Okay, so using combine means 2 statements. So combines 2 statements. Finally, answer is find the answer of monthly salary of Raghu. Okay, you can find the monthly salary of Raghu. So finally, answer is C. Option C is the correct answer. Both the statements put together are sufficient. Okay. Option D. No. Option C is the correct answer. Both the statements put together are sufficient. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. Finish. So tomorrow, today evening, write down the one. What is here? Capgemini, DXC, and one more. Kindle. Okay. Today evening, write down your Kindle paper, and tomorrow write down everyone grand test. Okay. Today evening paper explain next week. Yes, thank you everyone. Any doubt today class?